Good morning, dear second year students. Today we are going to discussing about lac operon. Introduction about lac operon. Operon is operating units which can be defined as the cluster of genes located together on the chromosomes and transcribed together. It is group of closely linked structure genes and associated control gene which regulates the metabolic activity. All the genes of an operon are coordinately controlled by a mechanism first described in 1961 by Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod of the Pasteur Institute of Paris. The lac operon. The lactose operon designated as lac operon. The lac operon codes for enzymes involved in the catabolism, degradation of lactose. Lactose is the disaccharide which is made up of glucose and galactose. It is the inducible operand since the presence of lactose induces the operand to switched on. Functioning of lac operon. In the absence of lactose inducer, the regulator gene produces a repressor protein which binds to the operator site, prevent the transcription as a result. The structural gene do not produce mRNA and the proteins are not formed. When lactose introduced in the medium binds to the repressor now fails to the binds to the operator. Therefore, the operator is made free and induces the RNA polymerase to bind to the initiation site on promoter, which results in the synthesis of lac mRNA. This mRNA codes for three enzymes necessary for lactose catabolism. Ribosomes translating the mRNA into proteins. One of the proteins, yellow encoded by the lac operon, allows lactose to enter the cell at a high rate. A simplified E. coli bacterial cell. Lac operon gene sequence. 3 lac operon genes ZYA. When lactose is absent, a precursor protein is continuously synthesized. It sites on a sequence of DNA just in front of lac operon, the operator site. The repressor protein blocks the promoter site, where the RNA polymerase settles before it starts transcribing. Regulator gene, operator site, lac operon, and repressor protein blocked RNA polymerase, ZYA. When lactose is present, a small amount of sugar allolactose is formed within the bacterial cell. This first onto the repressor protein at another active site, allosteric site. This causes the repressor protein to change its shape, a conformational change. It can no longer sit on the operator site. RNA polymerase can now reach its promoter site. When glucose is absent and lactose is present, another protein is needed, an activator protein. This stabilizes RNA polymerase. The activator protein only works when glucose is absent. In this way, E. coli only makes enzymes to metabolize other sugars in the absence of glucose. Activator protein studies the RNA polymerase transcription process. Positive was negative control. Positive control and negative control. Regulatory protein is present. Operon on, operon off. Example of regulatory protein, activator and repressor. Mutate regulatory gene to loss function, operon off and operon on. The lac operon is under two forms of control, positive and negative control. Negative control occurs when the binding of a protein prevents an event. Positive control is when the binding causes the event. A negative control. The lac repressor binds to the operator. The DNA sequence covered by the repressor overlaps the DNA sequence recognized by the RNA polymerase. Therefore, when the repressor is bound to the operator, RNA polymerase cannot bind to the promoter and transcription cannot occur. The lac operon is said to be under. Negative control. Elements. Operator lac O, promoter lac P, repressor and lac I. Purpose binding site for repressor lac operator and promoter is binding site for RNA polymerase. The repressor gene encoding the lac repressor protein binds to DNA at the operator and blocks binding of RNA polymerase at the promoter. And the last one is the lac I controls production of the repressor protein. Genes LAC, Z, Y, A, these are genes involving in the lac operon. Enzymes beta galactosidase, galactopermease, thiogalactoside, and transacylase. The beta galactosidase enzyme breaks down lactose into glucose and galactose. Galactose permease, this protein found in the E. coli cytoplasmic membrane, actively transports lactose into the cells. Next, the galactoside and transacylase. The function of this enzyme is not known. It is coded for by the gene LAC-A. Operon model. First lac operon mRNA. This is the mRNA. Beta galactosidase, permease, and transacylase. Repressor inducer complex does not bind DNA. ZYA, these are genes. These are enzymes. PIPO, operator, repressor, and LAC-I. This is the structure of operon. This is the also structure of lac operon. In this process, we observed enzymes, three type of enzymes, genes, and this is the mRNA 5' to 3' end. And the next active repressor. This is the lactose inactive repressor. This is the active repressor, and it is the inactive repressor. And this is the structure of DNA. And DNA polymerase can bind to promoter. Thank you.